Visit us at www.asicoder.com for an overview of our offerings. On the homepage, you'll find all categories clearly displayed for easy navigation. Our services page highlights our expertise in website and application development using the latest frameworks, ensuring on-time delivery, customer satisfaction, and reliable service. The project inquiry page lets you choose your desired service, share your ideas, and get started with ease. Explore our documentaries page for detailed product information with features like easy commenting, feedback, and simple sharing options. Need help? Our support request page is here for you. Whether it's purchase-related issues, inquiry submission problems, or technical support, we're reliable and ready to assist. Learn more about us on the About Us page, featuring ready-made projects, premium support, and comprehensive web and app services. Finally, on the Contact page, connect with our expert team. Let's connect. Just fill out the form with your issue and details, and we'll discuss it further. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for the latest updates. Thank you for choosing Asicoder.